Hi, I mentioned in my recent How to Make a Vase video about the difference between flood coating and sanding and polishing to a really high finish. Here's a bit of an example of that. This is the cheese board I made for my wife. In fact, we used it last night. But if you look at the finish, it is pretty staggering. This is a piece of olive wood. Is it olive? Yes, it's olive. That I got. And I think you'll agree, that is pretty stunning a finish. But it took, I can't imagine how long, probably an entire day of sanding, which kind of makes it not very viable as a product.